What up, it's Drake Jr. and today I got a special unboxing for you guys.
Yeah, sharp like an edge of a samurai sword, the mental blade cut through flesh and bone. No, my mind's at peace, the word out of order, this and that.
What's up, guys? Today I got something really special for y'all. As you guys know, Adidas did a collab with Dragon Ball Z, and I actually picked up a pair of the Goku shoes right here. As you see, bam, right there. As you see, you got Adidas Originals, Dragon Ball Z. On the side of the box, you have Goku and also the tail of Shenron. And also on the other side, you see you got, see up the line, you got Goku and also the Dragon Ball right here. And now let's get right into these shoes right here. You see, boom, right there. And what the first impression is, bam, right here, you get the shoe itself. There you go. And I'll describe the shoe in 1 second, but you have to actually see the inside of the box. It's actually really insane. You take all the shoe out right here, and you get the paper. The paper is actually really dope. You get the scene between Goku and Frieza right there. Dragon Ball Z is also right there too. And also you can see inside the box all the Dragon Balls, everything, all the lightning and everything. I think it's really dope. But let's get on to the sneakers. Now this is my first model of this shoe. I specifically got it because of the Dragon Ball Z collab. And when I first opened the box, I instantly got hit with how bright the orange is on these sneakers. Obviously this is inspired by Goku's uniform. You have the orange, yellow, blue signature, everybody knows that. But once you open it up, you see actual like the material of the sneaker. The orange, it's not normal orange, this is a nice suede material. The yellow right here is a nice mesh, it's nice breathable mesh. Also the blue right here, you see it's nice and tattered. You see that represents when Goku followed Frieza, all the way his uniform got messed up throughout the fight. On the back, right over here on the tab, you see signature symbol right over here. And also, nice little detail right here. You have the flying Nimbus cloud right here on the inside of the shoe. And also right here, I have no idea what this means, but I think it's a really cool detail. And it's a signature Adidas shoe because right here you have nice thick boost material. I actually tried these on. I'm not going to resell them. It's not really worth it to me. I'm just going to rock these personally myself. Yeah, these shoes are loaded with detail, and also I took out the sole of these shoes. You see the Dragon Ball Z and also all the different Dragon Balls. And that's on the inside of the shoe right over here. And like I said, these shoes actually ultra comfortable, obviously, because the boost, not only the boost material, but also the nice fit, soft feel of the sneakers in itself. I think it's definitely worth a buy. Honestly, they're sold out on Adidas website, but you can get them for resale. The resale price is going down steadily. That's why I personally didn't resell them. Plus, also, I really like the shoes. And they're steadily going down. You can get these on StockX, and you can also get these on the Go app. I think I probably should recommend StockX because they're better price over there. You probably get them around by what, like let's say like $260 something, $250. But on I think Go, I believe the stable price is $265 on these. But I was lucky enough to go on Adidas.com when they dropped and get them for retail, and I'm definitely keeping them with the resale. Definitely not worth it to me personally. Okay, now let's have a little discussion on how to actually incorporate this into your wardrobe. Like I said, a lot of reason people may not want these shoes is the fact that it may be hard to match, or you might not figure an outfit to wear them with. But I was like, I'll help you guys out a little bit. What I would personally do right here. Well, when it comes to me accentuating just my sneakers, I like to keep everything above minimal as possible. Like, for example, these, if I want to keep this minimal as possible, I will wear a solid black t-shirt, a nice pair of dark wash blue jeans. Dark wash blue jeans, I think will be essential with these because it will match perfectly with the blue on these sneakers. And actually the sneakers themselves, boom, okay, your sneakers are the main staple of your whole outfit. When it comes to that, then I think you'll be matching perfectly fine. And also that is, if you want something a little different, if you have actual like orange somewhere in your ensemble, you get to actually bust it out right now. You can wear it with these right here. It will be perfect match. It'd be awesome. because I don't know, so a lot of guys, they're scared of color. They're scared of experimenting with color because they either might be either too feminine or the fact that they just don't comfortable with it. They like to stick to neutral colors. Sometimes people will notice if you go off the status quo and do something a little different than the rest of people. And also, another way you can do this is you use complementary colors. A lot of times you can take an orange, you match it with a tan, you match it with a black, everything goes with black, or you match it with nice and brown, and you'll be set if you're good. And also, when it comes to shoes like this, you can wear anything that complements any of these colors or incorporate these colors. Like when I said the black shirt with the dark wash jeans and the blue will match all of these shoes. The orange shirt, you can match with this orange right here, or you can wear a nice like darkish yellow or a nice popping yellow. It will match with these, and they'll still go with the orange and the blue of the sneaker itself. Or just go all black and just boom, colorful sneakers, and you're in good business. I was like, don't be afraid of colors, fellas. Okay. People will notice, the girls will notice, everybody will notice, okay? It's all good. But yeah, I think that's the end of the video. If you like it, like the video, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. I stole that. But yeah, see you guys later. It's Dre Jr. I'm out of here.